right now in Shangri-La Hotel. It's so beautiful here, it's so luxurious, and it's worth of your money. And right now we have here the Tagasigos, our in-laws. Hi. Our titas, Tita Linda. Hi. My mother-in-law, Mavila. And my beautiful sister-in-law.
Wow.
And by the way, the traveler cousin. So we're going to enjoy here right now. It's so beautiful here. Let's enjoy the view. It's a 24-hectare owned by Tita Linda.
This is our room in Shangri-La, and right now we are going to have breakfast downstairs for buffet. Hi, Kuya.
Hi, we are here right now in Buffet
Linda.
101.
Wow.
This is the Thais. This is where are we going to have breakfast. So let's see what's inside. Oh, she's so cute.
Hi.
Hi. Hello, you're so big and you're so adorable. So here's the breakfast at Tides. The arrays of breads, sliced bread. Yun lang yata yung kilala kong tinapay, sliced bread. Donuts. Let's go somewhere here. On the other side. This is taho.
Hi, good morning, yeah.
Good morning again.
Madam, how are you, madam?
Yeah, do you remember me na?
Hi, I remember you, yeah. Would you like some taho, madam?
Yes, please, only
Yes,
one.
of course,
Thank
madam.
you.
Would you like to
John
try
Mark
some
is ever
condiments?
so
Yeah, my name is
assistive.
John Mark. Yeah, would you like some condiments, madam?
Yes, please. Thank
This one?
you.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Si John Mark nakakatuwa. Alam mo ba, na
Yes,
first
I hope you're
night
enjoying it,
namin.
madam.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it here
This one?
very much.
You want to
Opo.
try this one? Okay.
Ano yun siya? Condensed?
Condensed milk, madam.
So, pinasosyal na taho.
Yes, madam. This one?
Let's try the pinasosyal na taho.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, John Mark. You'll be in my vlog.
Yeah, you're welcome, madam. I'm so happy that you are here again, madam. Yeah. You
You're
should
so
mix it well,
amazing.
madam.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Wait naman. So here are different kinds of queso. There's sushi. Good morning. They're very accommodating, hospitable, warm. The typical Pinoys. Champion dito sa customer service in Shangri-La. So dito sa Shangri-La, hindi ka mauubusan ng gagawin. Mauubusan ka lang ng paa sa kakalata dahil napakalawak. If you want to table tennis and volleyball, there's ring there, no? Ring yun. Tapos, doon naman swimming pool na may mga iba-ibang pakulo. Tapos doon, sa bandang doon dagat, and may chest din doon na malaki. So nice here, so beautiful. Ulit-ulit yung sinasabi. Siya nga pala guys, nandito lahat ng iba-ibang bansa. Come here. Nakarating na pala kaming Beijing. Ngayon lang. Tapos nag-Kuala Lumpur kami. Nag-Hong Kong. So, ibig sabihin, nakarating na kami sa lahat ng bansang nandito. Different places, but just one place to go. What? Guys, let's go. Manguha tayo ng buko. Marami dito. What? So, this is the buko bar. Ano, habino. So guys, dahil wala tayong makeup ngayon,
Wow.
makeup like that lang tayo, pero tingnan mo naman, ang pangit. May babatiin tayo ngayon, napaka-espesyal na tao sa buhay ko. Charot. My husband, happy birthday, my love. Pinareserve niyo buong Shangri-La for his birthday. Alam mo, ayaw niya yung maharap sa camera. Pero ngayon, naharap siya. Wala siyang choice. Ako yung naghahawak eh. Makikita niyo walang tao. Kasi it's all reserved for us. Grabe mo. Yaman yan. Kaya mo yun dong. So, dito pala, iba-iba ang pool. Meron din dito ang ocean wing pool. It's electric. And it's like an infinity pool. Just as you can see, it is overlooking the sea. So, di ba guys, sinabi ko nga na ito yung pag-aari namin, ekta-ektara yung lupa. Ngayon ko lang din naman na-discover. Tignan mo, nandito ang pangalan namin, apelyido namin. So, it's just, it says here talaga na we own this place. Wow! Sa ballroom. So guys, after pala ng vacation namin, we will grind grind our teeth. Good morning, Amar Jacob. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How about you, Aya? You say good morning to my vlog. Are you going to slide? Go! Go! Are you going to swim also? Hi, Aya! Come on! Ate, your ipit! It will fall. You remove the ipit. Oh, there's David!
Hindi ka maligo.
Mamaya, I will ligo. Are you happy here? His name is Jacob. How old are you? What's your name? Matito Biusay. Galing mo naman. So guys, start na ng ating pag-itim. So this is the battle of paitiman portion. You see, ang init. So you see guys, ang init-init dito sa Shangri-La right now, but ang ganda-ganda talaga.
A beach and the swimming pool is there.
Yes, in short, we'll be going in the beach. Let's go! So, narito tayo ngayon sa beach. Magsiswim tayo ngayon. Ang ganda! It's like a Boracay. Yan mo. Pwede na itong pangbuhangin sa aquarium. Malapit nga lang dito yung bahay namin. Hinakaw na namin. Hinakaw na namin yung mga buhangin. Sit down! And he is my panganay. Happy birthday, Dad. It's your birthday today. Guys, dahil limited lang ang puti natin, medyo dahan-dahan lang tayo sa pagbibilad. Kasi alam mo na, hindi tayo tunay na mistisa. So, malulog yun. Dito lang kami sa mga lilim-lilim. Yung mga tunay na Amerikana, Koreana, dun sila sa mga mainit kasi tunay ang puti nila. Kami be, puting pojik. Dahil tayo ay sanay na nagpapaksi ng isda, huwag tayo ng paktiyo. Huli ako. Hello? Malaking isda. Uwi na tayo guys. Yun lang naman kailangan natin dito eh. Isang isda, maraming sabaw kasi ng sa ating lahat. Mamaya ko na ipakita, secret lang to eh. So guys, kapag pala kayo ay magdi-date ng mga chicks, dalhin nyo sa swimming para magulas ang makeup, para malaman nyo kung tunay na maganda. Kasi sa filter, napipilter, di ba? Para nakita mo na agad. There's Nana Ana. Ako magligo. She's the mother dragon of 3. Siya na halos nagpalaki ng mga anak ko. Siya nga pala guys, uuwi na ako sa kaharian namin, di ba? Dahil ako yung isang mermaid. I'll go home na, bye. Nakauwi ko lang galing sa kaharian namin, sa kaharian ng mga mermaid. Umuwi na muna ako dito. Wala pa tatay ko eh. Si Amang Kari.